Part 1. The Luxury Lie. If I asked you to close your eyes and imagine a rich person, what would you see? A Lamborghini? A Rolex? A private jet? A mansion with an infinity pool? If you imagined any of those, you're not alone, because that's exactly what the world has trained us to believe. Since childhood, movies have shown us that rich people live in giant houses. Music videos celebrate expensive jewelry. Social media floods our feeds with designer clothes, luxury vacations, and supercars parked outside five-star hotels. Without realizing it, our brains quietly create a simple equation. Expensive things equals rich people. And after seeing that equation thousands of times, it starts feeling like a fact. But here's the problem. We've confused the result with the cause. Think about it. When you see a billionaire stepping out of a Rolls-Royce, your brain instantly connects the car with the wealth. It silently whispers, "That's what success looks like." But the Rolls-Royce didn't create the billionaire. The billionaire created the ability to buy the Rolls-Royce. That difference changes everything. Imagine two people suddenly receive $1 million. The first person immediately upgrades their entire lifestyle. A luxury SUV, a bigger house, designer clothes, expensive vacations. To everyone around them, they look incredibly successful. The second person does something far less exciting. They buy shares in businesses, invest in index funds, purchase rental properties, build assets that quietly generate income month after month. Fast forward 10 years. Who do you think is wealthier? The answer isn't obvious, because one person invested in looking rich. The other invested in becoming richer. And that's the trap millions of people fall into every single day. We're surrounded by images of consumption. So we naturally believe consumption creates wealth. But wealth isn't built in shopping malls. It isn't built in luxury dealerships. And it definitely isn't built on Instagram. Real wealth grows quietly, far away from the spotlight. Think of an iceberg floating in the ocean. The expensive car, the luxury watch, the designer clothes. That's the tiny piece everyone can see above the water. But underneath, hidden from view, is something much larger. Businesses, investments, ownership, cash flow, financial discipline. That's the foundation holding everything together. The visible lifestyle is only the final chapter. Most people never read the pages that came before it. And that's why so many spend years chasing the symbols of wealth, without ever understanding the system that created them. But here's where things become even stranger. Because if luxury isn't actually creating wealth, why do wealthy people still buy luxury brands at all? Is it just for attention? Or is there another reason hidden beneath the surface? To answer that, we have to look at something almost invisible. Not what rich people buy, but what they actually own. And that's where the real story begins.